Have you ever stood next to someone and wanted to say something, but your mind just went blank? Maybe it was a neighbor or someone at work, and you thought, what do I even say? Hi, I'm Emma. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start a real conversation in English, even if you feel shy. Let's get into it. Starting a conversation feels hard because we think we need something smart to say. But most conversations start very simply. Think of it like opening a door. You don't need a special key, just a small push. Imagine you're in line at a coffee shop. You could simply say, "This line is so long today." That's small talk. Light, friendly conversation about simple things like weather or daily life. It's not deep, but it opens the door. Quick question. What's one place where you see the same people, but never talk to them? Keep that in mind. Try these easy lines. Nice weather today, right? Busy day, huh? Or just, hi, how's it going? Notice, they're short and they don't need perfect grammar, they just need a friendly voice. Picture this. You're at a bus stop, it's raining, you say, ugh, this rain again. They laugh and say, I know, right? And just like that, you're talking. Pause the video and say this out loud. Nice weather today, right? Say it with a smile, but starting is only step one. The real skill is keeping the conversation going. And that's next. You said, hi. They said, hi, back. Now what? Here's the secret. Ask a light, open question, not a yes or no question. Instead of, do you like your job? Try, what do you do for work? This gives them space to actually talk. Mini story, you meet someone at a party. You say, hi, I'm Alex. They say, hi, I'm Maria. Instead of stopping, you ask, so, how do you know the host? Now the conversation continues naturally. Try finishing this out loud. So how do you know? Think of a real situation from your life. Here's the part most people get wrong. They think it's all about asking questions. Actually, it's about listening and sharing a little of yourself too. When someone answers, don't just say, okay. Add something small about yourself. This is called reciprocating, which simply means giving something back. If someone says, I'm a nurse, you could say, that's amazing. I have a friend who works there too. Think of a conversation like playing catch. If only one person throws, the game stops. Both people need to throw and catch. Challenge. Next time someone answers, add one sentence about yourself before your next question. Try it now. Imagine someone said, I just moved here. What would you say back? One more piece. How do you end a conversation nicely? Coming up now. You don't need a big goodbye. Try. It was really nice talking to you. Or, I should get going, but I enjoyed this chat. Simple, warm, and complete. Let's recap what you learned today. First, start with one small, simple line like talking about weather. Second, keep it going with open questions, not yes or no ones. Third, share a little about yourself too. Fourth, end warmly with a friendly line, your speaking practice. Say this out loud using your real day. Hi, busy day, huh? And finish it honestly. Say it now, out loud. You did it. Every small conversation is a step forward. I'll see you in the next video. Keep talking, keep growing.